Okay, this is how to remote into your hard drive from home on a Windows computer. And before we can get started, you'll need to know what your home operating system is. So, to find this out, you can search for system information. Go ahead and open that, and you'll see there your operating system name. Here we have Windows 10, it's in S mode. And if you go down a little further, you'll also see your system type. This one is a 64. So this is important to know because you have a computer here in S mode, we'll need to switch that out before getting started. If you don't have S mode, you can just proceed on. To turn off S mode, you'll have to go to settings. And then from settings, you can go down to update and security. You'll want to hit on activation and go to the store. It'll ask you switch out of S mode. You'll say yes, you want to get this, and then you're all set and you can close that. Now that you have S mode turned off and you know what your operating system is, you can proceed.
The remote access requires two applications. We're going to need Ivanti for your Duo signature confirmation, and we're going to need Remote Desktop, which we use to plug in your computer name. So now let's get started with opening the email. It'll have the link to the UW Frequently Asked Questions page for remote access. The link's going to want a username and password, and that's just your regular Epic username and password. Okay, from here, you're just going to want to select Windows, and it's going to say Pulse Secure, but this has been updated to Ivanti. Go ahead and select the package to download. Let's open this file and we'll get this installed. We'll just want to double click on that, and then this will walk you through the steps of completing the install. Okay, now that this is installed, we're going to go ahead and add a connection. You're going to type SSLVPN and paste in the server name we give you, and then you can click add and connect. The first username and password it's going to ask you for is just your Epic username and password. You're going to want to do save settings so it doesn't keep asking you for it. Your second one is your Duo password, and it will either be the word phone or the word push, depending on what you have. Most people are defaulted to phone. When I hit connect, it's going to call my phone, and then I can push any number on my keypad to connect. And with your Ivanti connection, usually what I'll do is right click it and pin it to my taskbar so that I always have it here in the morning. Next, you're going to want to search your computer for a remote desktop. It might be in the App Store that you have to download and install. I'm going to go ahead and download this, open this. Next, you're going to add in your PC. You're going to put in the name of the computer that we give you that is assigned to you. Just type mine in here. And then I'm going to give it a friendly name. And you can go ahead and hit save. And now this is ready to connect. And I would also suggest right-clicking this and pin it to your taskbar so you have it ready to go. Now that we have everything downloaded, let's walk through the steps that you're going to go through every morning when you're logging in. You're going to start with Ivanti, go ahead and hit connect. And I already saved my Epic username and password, so it's just going to ask me for my secondary. I'm going to type in phone. It's going to call my phone, and then I'm going to do my confirmation, hit any key. That's connected now. Then I can go to my remote desktop and I can select my remote computer. It's going to ask me for username and password. This is your Epic username and password. And I will say sometimes this takes a couple tries depending on our server at work. So keep trying if it doesn't connect immediately. But once you're connected, you should see your same screen you would see if you're on site. all your same apps that you would have saved here. Your shared drive should still be set up. Everything you would normally see if you were on site should be the same. And now you're ready to go. Thank you.